Hey everybody, I have a Red Cross truck in front of me, and just passing this up, and you can see I'm going 80 miles an hour plus, and I'm not even catching up to them. I'm sorry, the speed limit's only 70, or was it 65? I tried to video record this earlier, but my thing messed up. As you can see, I'm still driving, and now I'm going 85. Okay. I took pictures of it when it was at the rest area, and I'm going 85 still, and I'm barely catching up to it. Of course, other cars are going 85 along with me, but I don't have this big ass little Red Cross thing on my vehicle. I'm back up to 85 here, and I'm barely able to. I'm going to try to set it if I can. That way I can just videotape and maybe I catch up to it. I don't know. I'm going 85 and I'm not even coming close to catching up to it. I stopped off at a rest stop just south of the James Madison University exit here on 81. I was going to say 91, but it's 81. And yeah, all of the vehicles are going 80 plus right now, and it's 70. And you can see how far back I am right now of the Red Cross vehicle. But you can also see how close the Red Cross vehicle is to the other car. Okay, now it seems to be slowing down a little bit because of traffic, so I'm going to slow down here some. But excuse me, if that person was to hit the brakes, there's just no way in hell they're going to be able to stop. There's no way in hell. That they just did brake, but the person in front of them did not brake. Now I've got this person here that's going to try to get in front of me, which is okay, but the number is 187-something-5. I already got pictures of it anyway. Well, now traffic is slowing down, and we're actually going 70 miles an hour like we're supposed to. I must say that the person who was driving at least did make the right type of move by turning the signal on before changing lanes. So at least the person is doing that correctly. And right now it's a reasonable speed of 77 miles an hour, as you can see. Now it's speeding up again. Now I'm going 80 and I'm not even catching up to her. It's two ladies that are in there. I saw them at the rest area. It's a disaster preparedness vehicle. It seems like those are the ones that I end up taping more of. And now she's gonna go ahead and tailgate this truck here. I don't even know if they know that I'm taping or not. They might know that I'm taping by now if they're even bothering to look in their rear view mirror or the side mirrors. They're slowing down to 65 right now because the truck is, and I'm going to slow down. I'm just going to go ahead and turn the tape off now.